At number 5, we have the AOSU 2K wireless outdoor security camera. Your smart, truly wire-free security solution, powered by built-in lithium battery and solar panel. No power outlets needed. Install anywhere with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Crystal clear 2K, full HD live streaming captures every detail with stunning clarity. Advanced color night vision with 4 LED and 4 infrared lights delivers bright, clear footage day or night. Pi-R human motion sensor reduces false alarms from wind or animals for accurate security alerts. Built-in microphone and speaker enable two-way audio communication through your phone. IP65, waterproof design, withstands rain, snow, heat, and harsh outdoor conditions year-round. Flexible storage with 128 GBTF card slot and optional cloud storage with 30-day free trial. Alexa compatible, easy to install, and smart to use. Secure your home day and night with AOSU.
At number 4, we have the AOSU Solar Security Cameras Kit, a complete wireless home security solution. Designed for easy installation, just drill 4 holes and you're done in 2 minutes. Each camera features an integrated solar panel for nonstop power. Capture vibrant 2K full HD video with color night vision, even in complete darkness. The home base provides 32 GB of encrypted local storage with 0 subscription fees. Monitor all 4 cameras simultaneously from your smartphone. Advanced cam-to-cam tracking automatically follows intruders across your property. Easy to install, subscription-free, and built for round-the-clock monitoring. The AOSU Solar Security Cameras Kit delivers reliable, intelligent protection for your entire home.
At number 3, we have the eufyCam S330 4Cam Kit, an advanced smart home security system built to deliver ultra-clear monitoring and intelligent detection. Each camera captures stunning 4K Ultra HD video with 8 million pixels and 8 times zoom capability. Powered by Bionic Mind AI, it learns to distinguish family, familiar faces, and strangers for smarter alerts and fewer false notifications. Integrated solar panels keep cameras running continuously with just 2 hours of sunlight per day. With military-grade encryption and expandable local storage up to 16 terabytes, your data stays secure in your home, supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, with customizable activity zones for tailored monitoring, clearer footage, smarter security, and 0 subscription costs. The eufyCam S330 delivers future-ready home protection.
At number 2, we have the AOSU Wireless Outdoor Security Camera 6Cam Kit, a powerful, subscription-free home security system designed for complete property coverage. The system features a second-generation home base with 32 GB local storage, expandable up to 1 TB baron, enough for over 5 years of recordings. Each camera offers 360° pan and tilt capability with smart auto-tracking that automatically follows movement. The 5MP Ultra HD lens delivers video 40% sharper than 2K, with advanced night vision for clear footage in a complete darkness. Powered by efficient solar charging, they operate continuously with just 3 hours of sunlight daily. Built for all climates, they perform reliably even in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. Inside the app, view up to 4 camera feeds at once with camera-to-camera track and sync technology. With powerful coverage, crystal clear video, and 0 subscription costs, AOSU delivers intelligent, worry-free home security.
Worried about keeping your home safe? At number 1, we have the AOSU 4K Wireless Outdoor Security Camera System. With all-at-once monitoring, view up to 4 cameras at the same time. TrueSight AI identifies strangers and even alerts you to wildlife. Crystal clear 4K imaging captures every detail day or night. Dual solar panels keep your system powered 24/7. No wiring needed. Secure local storage with no monthly fees, your footage, your control. Protect what matters most with AOSU.